Hi, Dr. Dave here with Synergy Wellness in New York City. And a lot of people ask me, what are the most common symptoms? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you all of the symptoms of a hiatal hernia. Okay. The common symptoms of hiatal hernia would be acid reflux, GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, where the food comes back up, heartburn. These are all common side effects. Bloating, another common side effect. Nausea, another common side effect. Now, the less common side effects that a lot of GI docs may not associate with a hiatal hernia, and don't let them shoo you out the door, because these are related to a hiatal hernia. Heart palpitations because of the vagus nerve. GI docs don't understand the vagus nerve. It's a nerve. They're GI docs, not nerve docs, not neurologists, right? So that's why they don't understand that connection. Heart palpitations, panic attacks, anxiety, yes. Not just the GERD and the heartburn and the bloating. Another type of symptom, difficulty breathing, catching a full breath in and out, right? Chest pain, and you can have chest pain on the right or on the left or dead in the center, and it can radiate in different areas, but it's typically in the lower chest or lower rib cage area. And again, it can be left or right side. These are the less common symptoms of a hiatal hernia. Either way, if you have 2 or 3 of those symptoms, then you most likely have a hiatal hernia. And don't get me started on the endoscopies and the barium swallows, because they are highly inaccurate, meaning you can get that test and never, ever, ever get a diagnosis of hiatal hernia. It's very common. Those tests are 30 to 40% effective. Okay, now I'm not saying don't get the test, because an endoscopy can check for precancerous cells and other things, but know that you have a hiatal hernia based on your symptoms. If you have at least 2 of those symptoms I mentioned, besides the heartburn and the acid reflux, the bloating, the nausea, the heart palpitations, the anxiety, the panic attacks, the difficulty getting a full breath, besides all of those issues, the chest pain, right? The globus, the pit in your throat, the silent reflux, that constant having to clear your throat, those are the symptoms of hiatal hernia. And again, if you get that endoscopy and it says you don't have one, don't hold that as the gospel. It's not the holy grail. Those tests are lousy at best. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you learned something. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, because we put a lot of work into these videos. And if you're interested in hiatal hernias, check out our playlist. Our playlist has over 125 videos just on hiatal hernia and acid reflux and GERD. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.